What would it be? Let's do the motion with it. Umbrella. There is a toad on the railroad track again.
There is a toad on the railroad track.
There is a toad on the railroad track again.
Literacy Camp is 1st through 3rd. Again, we use similar phonics inventory, iReady, ACAP data, all used to determine who is eligible to come to the camp. And then we use that to help form small groups so that teachers can really hone in on what each student needs. This is our first year to also be including our math camp for Hoover City Schools.
They'll have growth in fact fluency, they'll do number talks, they'll play math games, but it really gives them an opportunity to have that one-on-one with the teacher.
T.
T. We did erase T.
Erase the T. Good job.
Y.
And if I want to make that word kid, what do I need to put here instead of a T? I need what letter?
A D.
A D. Very good. So write your D for me.
It is our goal to make sure that we are strengthening all those literacy components, whether it's phonics instruction they need, comprehension, just fluency, all the different aspects. We've tried to really make sure that we've honed in on what these students need so that our teachers can provide them with that support. So very fun, but we like to say engaging. We want the students to be active, whether it's using manipulatives, sand trays, their whole body is involved in their learning, and that's going to help, that learning to stick throughout the summer, and then they can take that on into the next year.